way to the Wakeman pump track. Just opened up yesterday, I believe. They just finished it yesterday. We're gonna go check it out. I believe Todd's gonna be there, and maybe Scooter. We'll see who shows up and see how the track rides. See if we can even find it first. So we're on our way there now. Should be there in about 3 minutes. First look. What's up?
How's it going?
Good. How are you guys?
Good.
What's up?
What's up?
Getting me now. I think I need to go the opposite way. I feel like jumping in that way. It might be better going first way.
Yeah, I mean, you cleared it the first way, the first time.
Did I?
The first one you did.
It throws me off.
Yeah, it's a little awkward. That first jump's pretty cool though.
Here?
No, the jump, real jump here. Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
That one seems unobtainable from me.
Well, yeah, like coming that way reverse is like.
I can see how you could land and then pump it in down. How somebody could, not me.
You got it, brother. We're doing that. We're doing that, bad boy. I don't even know. I need to pull them back and tighten up the stem.
Need a better stem.
You want help with it?
I have Allen's in my truck.
That one's a bolt.
I have sockets and stuff too.
Nope, we gotta redo that. How'd that look? Nice.
After that first jump, I'm done.
I was trying to tell him, like, relax yourself on the turn. Pump it out, pump the rollers.
I don't know how you do this, Casey.
All right, wakeman pump track. Not too bad. Not my favorite. Not my least favorite.
Best view though.
Best view
For sure.
for everything. You got the lake, the trees,
I'm
You got-
calling pond. Got
pond.
the flying V right here, dude. Oh.
There's also the North Coast Inland Trail right here, which I just lost my GoPro on the other day. So there's that. And we'll see you on the next ride.